Spectrum Mobile offers multiple convenient ways to activate your new mobile line. Whether you're starting fresh with a new number or bringing your existing number from another carrier, the activation process is designed to be straightforward and flexible. There are three primary methods to activate your Spectrum Mobile service. You can activate online through the Spectrum Mobile website or My Spectrum app, call their activation line, or visit a physical Spectrum store for in-person assistance. Before you can activate Spectrum Mobile service, there are some important requirements to keep in mind. You'll need an active Spectrum Internet Service subscription, and you must enroll in AutoPay for convenient monthly billing. To ensure a smooth activation process, make sure you have the necessary information ready beforehand. This includes your Spectrum account details, such as your username, address, and phone number. It's important to understand that Spectrum Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means they lease network capacity from Verizon, giving you access to Verizon's extensive tower network for reliable coverage across urban and rural areas. The activation process typically takes between 10 to 15 minutes and is usually completed within the same day. Whether you choose online activation, phone support, or in-store assistance, Spectrum Mobile provides comprehensive support to get your service up and running quickly. There are three main ways to activate your Spectrum Mobile line. You can set up a completely new line, port your existing number from another carrier, or activate using the modern eSIM technology. For a new line activation, you'll start by signing up for Spectrum Mobile service. Remember, you need Spectrum Internet service as a prerequisite. Next, you'll order a SIM card or choose to activate an eSIM if your device supports it. Connect to Wi-Fi for a stable internet connection during the activation process. Finally, navigate to the activation dashboard on the Spectrum Mobile website or use the My Spectrum app. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your activation. If you want to keep your existing phone number, you'll need to gather some information from your current carrier before starting the activation process. You'll need your account number and transfer PIN from your previous carrier. These are usually found on your current carrier's website or by calling their customer service. During the Spectrum Mobile activation process, simply select Keep My Phone Number and enter the required information from your previous carrier. Now let's explore eSIM activation, which is available on newer devices like iPhone 12 and later models. This modern approach eliminates the need for a physical SIM card. Access the activation dashboard through the My Spectrum app or website. You'll receive a QR code that contains your eSIM activation information. Your device will prompt you to activate the eSIM. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the Spectrum Mobile cellular plan on your device. The entire activation process typically takes between 10 to 15 minutes. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation email and should restart your phone to ensure everything is working properly. Spectrum is continuously expanding eSIM support to more devices from various manufacturers, making activation even more convenient in the future.